Welcome to Bitcoin Crypto Daily News Podcast for March 3rd, 2026. Get ready for the latest headlines as oil surges, global tensions mount, and crypto markets respond. In just 2.5 minutes, we'll break down the most critical shifts influencing your digital assets today. First up, Bitcoin shows resilience despite global turmoil. Following U.S. and Israeli strikes on Iran and escalating Middle East conflict, Bitcoin rebounded to $66,500 after dipping as low as $63,000. The strikes rattled equities, triggered a 13% spike in oil, and sent investors looking for safe havens like gold. Yet, while S&P and Nasdaq futures slipped, Bitcoin outperformed equities, proving its reputation as a risk asset that's weathering the storm. A wave of $300 million in long liquidations didn't spark a panic, with most digital assets moving back into familiar trading ranges. This highlights how Bitcoin, even in the face of turmoil, is holding its ground for now. Next, all eyes on institutional moves. Despite recent market volatility, some big players are doubling down. Strategy, the world's largest publicly traded Bitcoin holder, bought over $200 million worth of Bitcoin last week, adding 3,015 coins at an average price of $67,700 apiece. Meanwhile, ProCap Financial snapped up 450 more Bitcoins, bringing its total stash to 5,457. These bold accumulations suggest that, even as ETFs see outflows elsewhere, some institutions are taking advantage of the dip and betting big on a future bounce. Lastly, it's a wild week for crypto regulation. Turkey's government proposed a 10% income tax on all crypto investment gains, impacting both individuals and businesses. The new law would bring more clarity to the tax landscape for Turkish crypto users, while service providers could also face a transaction tax. The proposal, now before Parliament, could have wider implications for crypto adoption and trading across the region. To recap, Bitcoin is proving surprisingly steady through geopolitical turmoil. Some institutions are accumulating Bitcoin on the dip, and Turkey may soon reshape crypto taxation for millions. For more news and daily updates, subscribe to Bitcoin Crypto Daily News Podcast and check out our blog at your blog link here. Stay ahead of the crypto curve.